What inspired me to attend CRS is all the great brands, the people more than anything, having a chance to build these relationships. I've had the chance to be at many CRSs and have maintained those relationships, and having that opportunity when you need the help from someone, there's always someone there that you've met in the past that you can pull on at any point in time.
CRS is insightful.
CRS is great for learning about customer support trends and getting actionable advice.
The best part of CRS is just being able to learn different executives that's in the organization and having a chance to just sit down and have a conversation with them. I think that is the biggest part of this.
CRS is collaborative.
What inspired me to attend CRS was really just the desire to learn how to provide even more excellent, world-class service to our customers. We have stakeholders that range from students all the way up to superintendents of school districts, and that's a great place to invest your efforts is into the technological education of our future.
CX leaders should come to CRS because it's more than just your typical event, and you're going to make some really great connections with folks who are executives at other companies, and those connections can help you have really meaningful discussions.
The best part of CRS was the beer burrow. This is a people business, and no matter what we're selling, offering, servicing, at the end of the day, we're all in the same business, which is we are in the business of helping to support people's emotions, whether that's their money, their products. It's all fair game, and that's what we're talking about here. And I think this is one of the few environments, communities, where everybody's on that same page.
CX leaders should come to CRS for the innovation and for the amazing industry networking opportunities that we have to make us all better.